If your Canva videos look boring or just off, it's not your fault. Most beginners to Canva video editing make the same mistakes, and I'm going to show you how to fix them in under 5 minutes. I'm about to save you a lot of frustration. The biggest reason why Canva videos look bad isn't the templates or the text or even the effects. It's because the video was never set up properly in the first place. So from your home screen, you can click the plus on the left to hit create videos, or you can just go down to this top menu row and click on video. It defaults to the sizes that are the general options. I'm just gonna pick Instagram story just because it gives me a starting point. But the very next thing you wanna do is go up top to the left and click on resize before you add text or music or effects. So if you go to resize, custom size, you can do custom and you can do by inches, you can do by pixels. If you're not sure, look up what you need. Know what you're editing for. If you're editing for YouTube, the size should be 16:9. TikTok, Instagram, all these things have different aspect ratios. So make sure you check out what the aspect ratio is for the place that you're going to post. 1080 by 1920. So now that we have the right size, we are going to add our footage. So I'm gonna go to uploads and pick my footage. If the timeline didn't show up right away, it might look like this. The way you get the timeline to show up is just go down here to the thumbnail and click on that little pencil, and the timeline shows up. Secondly, cut out dead space and mistakes. So right here, I walk up to my dog. We don't need to see me walking up to her. Maybe right there, I'm gonna split it. I can click this button, or I could just click the letter S for split. Then if I come down here and I click on that clip and hit delete, and the whole video shoots forward. Shoots, that's the technical term. Up top here, it tells me how long the clip is right now. So the duration is 17.7 seconds. If I don't want my clip to jump ahead, I can hold and drag it up to the second video level. Technically, my video starts in white. If I go to hit play, there's nothing at first, and then it goes to video. That is the way around the automatic snap. I'll make a couple more edits of dead space. I'm gonna add another video and edit her. If you're brand new to Canva video editing, be sure to check out the link below in my description to the beginner guide on how to edit in Canva. So I'm gonna skip ahead to the next part of this video. Once your video is set up the right way, now you can add the text, the effects, the music, all that fun extra stuff. So I'm gonna add some music. So you go to Elements, we're going to go to Audio. All right, so I've found a song I like. I'm going to click and drag it underneath my whole piece. You might want to add some transitions. So if you hover in between your clips, add a transition, and then we can add our texts. My final tip has to do with templates. So another way to save a ton of time is by going to Design and click on Templates and describe your ideal design so it can help you find a template. So we'll say dogs playing. I find a template I like. I click on it, and what it does is it adds it to the end of my timeline. I just take the video that came with that template and I delete it, and then I click and then hold the shift key and select all of those graphics and just drag it over my video. And now what I can do is, maybe I want this border to continue throughout my video. I can click the edge here and drag it to the front of my video. I can click in on the words and change it, and then you're done, just like that. So by setting the correct video size first, by trimming your clips before you add any kind of effects or music, and when in doubt, by using templates as your friend, you can create a video in no time. Now let's see the end result.
Dog. If my dog don't love you, that's okay. I don't want him to, he's my dog. I love my dog.
If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe.